How to post long videos on WhatsApp status. WhatsApp only allows 30-second videos on status, but you can post longer videos using these methods. So let's get started. First of all, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your WhatsApp account. Once inside the WhatsApp, go to the update option available at the bottom right corner. There you can see My Status option available. Simply tap on the My Status. Now scroll down and look for the video you want to select. Now once selected, you can see WhatsApp automatically trims it to 30 seconds. Now all you have to do is select the first 30 seconds and post it, and repeat the process for the next 30 seconds until the full video is posted. You have to trim and post each part manually. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.